The feds have indicted two former LA County Sheriff's deputies. They are accused of shoving an innocent man into a patrol car, getting into a crash, and then lying to cover up the whole thing. And tonight, for the first time, we're hearing from the lawyer representing the victim. KCAL News reporter Kandiss Crone live now in downtown LA with that interview. Kandiss.
Well, tonight, both deputies are facing felony charges related to violating a man's civil rights. The man's attorney said what happened to his client was wrong, and he hopes that it sparks change within the department.
To this day, Jesus Alegria is traumatized, and he doesn't want to come out publicly speak about it because he thinks they'll pursue him and get him.
Attorney Humberto Guizar told us his client Jesus Alegria was too afraid to speak on camera after two former LA County Sheriff deputies were indicted Thursday on federal charges for allegedly violating Alegria's civil rights back in April of 2020.
Jesus Alegria was kidnapped by those two deputies, essentially, thrown in the police vehicle without handcuffs when those deputies went on a rage of driving in South Central LA at a high rate of speed. They crashed into a BMW and they crashed into a wall. At
a news conference, the U.S. Attorney's Office announced criminal charges against former deputies Miguel Vega and Chris Hernandez. They're accused of conspiracy, deprivation of rights under color of law, witness tampering, and falsification of records. Prosecutors say while Hernandez and Vega were on patrol in 2020, Alegria yelled at the two deputies to stop bothering two men at this Compton skate park. That's when he was put in the back of their patrol car. According to the indictment, the deputies did not handcuff Alegria, did not secure his seatbelt, did not tell him he was under arrest, and did not inform him of his rights at any time.
Anytime we find public officials or police officers who are abusing their power, it's critical that we hold them accountable.
Upon leaving the park, the deputies allegedly told Alegria they were going to drop him off in gang territory where he would be beaten up. The cruiser then got into a collision with Alegria suffering injuries. The two former deputies were also involved in the controversial killing of 18-year-old Andres Guardado in June of 2020. The investigation shows Vega shot Guardado in the back 5 times after a brief foot chase in Gardena. His family filed a lawsuit against the county, which settled for $8 million. Guizar believes that case could have an impact in his client's case and much more.
I think that's a very important fact. Those are very important facts. And I'm hoping that it creates a domino effect, that maybe they'll come up and, start identifying other deputies that are in the deputy gangs so that we can start cleaning house.
Now, the Sheriff's Department did send me a statement tonight saying in part that it assisted federal agencies in the criminal investigation that led to the indictment. Attorneys for both deputies, we reached out to them. They cannot be reached for comment. Live in downtown LA, Kandiss Crone, KCAL News. Back to you.
All right, Kandiss, thank you.